Hi there, this is Doreen Velin. So here I am at the dollar store, and you know, they have sketchbooks in the dollar store. I would take one that's fairly small, like this, not a bigger one, and get a pencil. If you have one in your home, great. If you don't have it, buy one, they're cheap. And a little eraser. Don't take an eraser, no, I take that back. Don't take an eraser. Take a pencil sharpener instead. And put it in your little bag, and we're gonna go on a little journey. Okay, here I am outside, and I don't have a lot of room in our backyard, but I'm just going to show you what a really great way to just calm down and just get rid of all the stuff that's going on in your brain and occupying all the stress and your guts turning. So we're just gonna tackle that today, and this is the best way. I mean, you know, it's better than, well, I wouldn't say it's better than chocolate cake, but that would be a stretch. But yeah, in a lot of cases, it's better than chocolate cake. Okay, so this is my little scene I have in front of me. It's very limited. So we've got a little trellis here, and we've got a little bush and this little bush. So I'm going to think of now just those math shapes that I told you about. So I'm going to draw a little circle here, okay, and then there's a long tubey circle here beside it. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Then we have a little bush here, and we have a straight line beside it. Oops, that's not very straight. And then it goes kind of this way, kind of in like that, and in like that. Okay, so I can just draw my little and across. Okay, now I'm going to look at my little shapes, and you see over this little yellowy one that's grabbing the sun, it's got, you see the dark, so if you eyes a little bit, you'll see dark. So we're going to go down here, and it's going to put scratches of dark and light. So I'm going to put them more in the middle, because that's where your shadows are. Okay, let's do. And this one here, see the lights on the top? I'm going to and then the tall tree, there's lots of dark spots, and that little bit of light on the left there where the sun's catching. Nice and dark. I'm going to leave the top and that one side lighter. I'm going to cover up my line. And you can do circles, you can do lines, you can do anything you want. Doesn't matter what it is. Just making dark spots. Creating dark spaces, that's all you're doing. Okay? It's kind of a wobbly post, I know. Kind of a crummy post. Doesn't matter what it looks like. Nobody has to see this. This is just for your own health. And I'll do some darker in here. Doesn't matter if it's, I'm not copying it. So don't think you have to copy all these dark spots that are on there. You're not doing that. You're just looking at the dark and the light and just putting it in with your pencil. So this is the darkest. I'm doing the darkest right now. And it doesn't matter where it is. It's up to you. Don't copy anything, okay? We're not making a picture here. So now I'm going to put my, not worry about the tree anymore and what's out there. I'm going to now just look at my picture. Now my picture, I just want to do some light spots now, really light. Really be light on my pencil here. Really light. Just cover the line. Little lights, little light, little light. I do circles. Doesn't matter what I do here. Just do light or dark. Doesn't matter. Okay, and leave some white space in there too. Okay, that's it. Done. Just so it's not all white. Cover up the lines. Done. This one, same thing. That's all I'm doing. Just cover up the lines. We're going to do some circles now. See, just play around. Doesn't matter if it's a circle or a line, or doesn't matter what you're doing. Okay, you have some straggly things out here. It doesn't have to be perfect circled because trees are not perfect. There we go. Just do some light now in here. A little bit of light. A little bit of light in here. A little bit of light in here. A little bit of light in here. Sure. Now, isn't that beautiful? You did that all yourself. And it could be anything you like. I'm going to just make these a little bit darker, I think, in here. Just because I want to. Have it show up. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Wow. Now, that's just your first one, and that didn't take very long. So if you have a lot of issues, and you have a lot of trauma in your life, you might want to pick a larger subject. So just to go in the bush, and you just remember to find those straight lines, those triangles. Okay, trees are triangles with a straight line. That's what a tree is. Okay, that's all it is. Tree with a triangle. Straight line of the triangle. Your sun? Circle. Clouds? Many circles. If you want to do clouds in the sky, many circles. Okay. Okay. That's all it is. You can get really fancy, do a rectangle here if you want. Could be something out there that's a rectangle. I could have done that over here, made that a rectangle. I did sort of, I filled it in. So there you go. I just want to give you that idea, and I hope that was worthwhile. And I've got a bit of stress now in my life because I'm waiting for an operation and just a gallbladder taken out. I don't really look forward to it. So this is something that's helping me get my mind off my body and my pain. So hope you're doing the same with yours. Okay? So you have lots of fun now, and you might want the chocolate cake alongside just to eat it at the same time. It makes it a little bit special. So have some fun. So this is Doreen Velin signing off, and hope you stay with me next time and tackle some more big issues. And just stay with me on YouTube and subscribe. And We'll do lots of fun stuff together, crazy stuff together. Thanks.